Make album creative and faster. Using Foto Smart, you can design an album quickly without wasting much time. To create design in faster ways, first you need to create ready your template and layout pages using all the material required like background, masks, frames, clip art, etc. Once it is finished, save the templates or layout for reusing the same in other projects. To save a designed page as a template or a layout, open the respective library. Under User section, you will find the option to save the template or layout. You can create a new category if you wish and save it. The template or layout will be categorized automatically as per the total number of images in that page. Categorizing the templates or layout while saving will help you to save the time in searching the same for the next time. You can also modify a saved template or a layout anytime you need. Foto Smart also have the provision to mark as favorite. You can mark your favorite template or layout so that you can find in a single click for reuse. Thus, you can create your own library of the templates or layout and use it while designing your projects. Now you can design your album in faster way using the ready-made templates or layout from the saved category. Create your entire album sequencing each and every page. Once you are done with creating the album, you can now use the saved template of your choice according to the number of images on each page and applying it on the canvas. Thus, you can design your entire album quickly and easily as per your need with complete creativity.